We have received almost close to 8 crores, 7 crore 95 lakhs to be precise, and this has been possible through the donation of hundreds of people. We have spent 4.5 crores right now to buy the ambulances, and we have the rest, about 3+ crores left, and we will decide on how to utilize them, and we may invest some in the corona care centers, and we may invest some in the ambulances, but we will see what is going to be in the best interest of the people in the state and then decide. We felt that of course it can be used for many purposes, but we felt that ambulances is something that would help the people in general, and I think the health sector would benefit from it, and more importantly it would be an asset that could be used for the next 5, 10, 15 years. So we felt that investing in an asset like this would be more meaningful. Of course there are many ways to spend it, and we could have spent it on other things also, but I think having an asset created which would then serve the people for years to come, we felt would be the best way to invest the money. Yes, the thing is that the 108 is playing a very important role in the overall service, in the health sector, and they have been asking us to invest in the ambulances in the past also. They have a very strong network, and they have been doing good service to the people. So we felt that providing these ambulances and giving it to them would ensure that not just the investment in the ambulance, but even the service at the end and the running would be done in a very professional manner. So keeping all those factors in mind, and to ensure that the service is given to the people at the grassroots, we felt that we should work with GVK and give these ambulances to them. So we're very confident that in partnership with GVK we'll be able to ensure that these services can be given at to the people, and we're also ensuring that a lot of these ambulances will be in the rural areas mostly, So of course for time being we might use it in Shillong and other urban areas because of the COVID situation, but as situation hopefully, as things improve, our ultimate goal would be to allow these ambulances to be more in the rural areas where it's required a lot.